Imagine what would happen if you replaced all your drinks with water for just a month. Most of us already know that water is essential, but the benefits of drinking only water go far beyond what you might think. Today, we're going to dive into 9 reasons in detail, showing how this simple habit can transform your health and even your life. Stick around until the end because I've got an extra tip to maximize these benefits. So stay tuned and get ready to discover the power of water. Let's start with the first impact of this switch: weight loss without crazy diets. When you replace all your drinks with water, your body goes through a real revolution. In the first 9 days alone, you start burning calories as if you were running 5 miles every day, without even leaving your house. The reason? By cutting out liquid calories and sugars, your body naturally begins to use fat reserves for energy. It's a practical and sustainable way to lose weight without the suffering of extreme diets or strict restrictions. Have you ever tried a challenge like this? If so, comment below and share your experience. Let's swap ideas. Now, let's talk about the impact of water on your metabolism and energy levels. Did you know that drinking a liter of water first thing in the morning can boost your metabolism by up to 24%? That's right, pure water, right when you wake up, can be the first step to a much more productive day. This happens because our bodies need energy to absorb and process water. In simple terms, by drinking water, you kickstart your system, giving it that boost to begin burning calories. Try this habit daily, and you'll notice more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Give it a shot and see how water can be a powerful ally for your daily routine. Let's move on to the third point: the effect of water on the brain. Did you know our brains are made up of 75% to 85% water? So, proper hydration is crucial for it to work at its best. Studies show that even mild dehydration affects concentration and memory, making it harder to complete tasks that require focus. Think of water as mental fuel. By staying hydrated, you're literally helping your brain function better. Want to improve productivity at work or in your studies? The answer might be as simple as drinking water. Try this challenge for a few weeks, and then tell us in the comments if you noticed a difference in your daily focus and concentration. Now, let's talk about appetite control, which is one of the most fascinating aspects of regular water consumption. Many times, our bodies send us hunger signals that are actually just thirst. So instead of grabbing a snack between meals, try drinking a glass of water first. This technique can significantly reduce your appetite, helping you avoid extra calories and that heavy feeling after eating when you weren't truly hungry. Plus, drinking more water also helps you establish a healthier eating routine, eating only when you really need to. If you pick up this habit, it becomes easier to maintain or even lose weight. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in your relationship with food. Next up, a key point for health: the detox effect of water. Our bodies constantly deal with toxins, whether through food, the air we breathe, or even daily stress. Drinking water regularly helps cleanse the body, facilitating the elimination of unwanted substances. Water acts as a true natural detox, helping organs like the kidneys and liver work more efficiently. By eliminating toxins faster, you'll feel lighter and more energized. It's that sense of well-being that only people who try it understand. Want to feel renewed? Increase your water intake and let your body function at its best. Another impressive benefit of water is reducing the risk of diseases. When you prioritize water over other drinks, you automatically reduce your intake of sugar, caffeine, and other compounds that, in excess, can harm your health. Studies show that good hydration can help prevent hypertension, bladder issues, and even colon cancer. That means fewer doctor visits and less money spent on medication. Who doesn't want to prevent diseases just with a simple habit? Making water your drink of choice can be a life-changing and accessible switch, since prevention is often the best medicine. Now, let's talk about the heart. Drinking 5 glasses of water a day can reduce the risk of heart attacks by up to 41%. This may sound shocking, but it's true. When the body is hydrated, blood flows more easily, reducing pressure in the blood vessels and helping the heart work in a lighter, more efficient way. Over time, staying hydrated can help protect the heart and improve circulation. Who knew something so simple could have such a big impact? For those seeking healthy, beautiful skin, water is a true beauty secret. By staying regularly hydrated, you keep your skin soft, clear, and naturally glowing. Water hydrates your skin from the inside out, helping prevent dryness and acne. After a few weeks, you'll notice a difference: healthier, more radiant skin, without needing any expensive products or complicated routines. It's the kind of change you and others will notice. Want that movie star skin? Water might be the missing ingredient in your beauty routine. Finally, the last reason: savings. Think about how much you spend weekly on coffee, juices, and soft drinks. It may seem small, but when you add it all up, the total can be surprising. By replacing these with water, you're doing a favor to both your wallet and your health. Water is cheaper and has an extensive list of benefits, so besides helping your body, you're also saving money by the end of the month. Is there a better reason than this to start now? So, did you like these tips? If any of these benefits surprised you, hit the like button and share this video with someone who needs to know this too. Now, as promised, here's the bonus tip. Want to maximize all these benefits? Try adding a bit of lemon to your water first thing in the morning. Besides adding a little flavor, lemon helps boost metabolism and enhances toxin elimination. Want even more beautiful skin and an even healthier body? This tip might be the key to transforming water into a true health elixir. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any health tips, and tell us in the comments how your experience is going with drinking more water. See you in the next video.